Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5 best complete skin kit for melanin-rich skin. Starting at number 5. Niacinamide 10% plus zinc. The Costa Baja Niacinamide 10 serum offers a host of benefits to your skin. It is packed with 10% vitamin B3 or niacinamide that nourishes the skin, minimizes red patches and hyperpigmented spots, and tightens open pores. In addition, niacinamide improves skin elasticity and fixes aging signs such as wrinkles, fine lines, and sagginess. This premium quality serum is extremely gentle on your skin and is safe for daily use. It strengthens the skin barrier and prevents acne and breakouts. With regular use of the serum, the skin regains its plump glow once again. Vitamin B3 and hyaluronic acid together, they fight wrinkles and free radical damage, while protecting your complexion from UV rays. The result is fresh, dewy-looking skin with a stunning tone and texture. In addition, we have added allantoin, which can be expected to be effective on skin such as inflammation, acne, itching, and eczema. Our niacinamide serum contains 10% vitamin B3 plus zinc 1%, which means EUR trademark S, packed with natural soothing properties that actively work to even your skin tone by addressing breakouts, blemishes, red marks, and irritated skin. It also nourishes your skin to minimize redness or blotchiness while diminishing the appearance of hyperpigmentation to give your skin a youthful glow. EUR trademark, sure to love. Coming at number 4. OZNaturals Vitamin C Serum. The OZNaturals Vitamin C Facial Serum is formulated without any heat or petrochemicals to retain the effectiveness of its ingredients. The serum is enriched with botanical hyaluronic acid that boosts the moisture content in your skin. Hyaluronic acid contains anti-aging benefits that increase your skin EUR trademark S elasticity and firmness. The antioxidant-rich rosehip extracts in the formula detoxify and protect your skin from irritants. The serum also contains vitamin E that regenerates and restores skin elasticity, while the potent vitamin C reduces hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Other than these, the effective formula also contains the goodness grapefruit peeling oil that cleanses dirt, matricaria flower that soothes the skin from within, and witch hazel that reduces inflammation. With regular use, the serum promotes collagen production, brightens your complexion, and fights against any stubborn blemishes. The secret to radiant glowing skin. Give your skin the daily protection and nourishment it needs and indulge in the OZNaturals Vitamin C Serum with hyaluronic acid. Using vitamin C as a topical helps improve the overall appearance of your skin and under eye. EUR trademark S, the missing piece in your skincare routine. At number 3. Advanced Clinicals Vitamin. If you want a serum to brighten your dull skin instantly and also fight aging signs, the Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C Anti-Aging Serum is what you need. It is enriched with antioxidant vitamin C, which reduces dark pigments and builds even-looking skin. In addition, the antioxidants also combat environmental pollutants and gradually reduce age and sunspots. The concentrated vitamin C also provides you with a healthier complexion. The serum also contains ferulic acid that boosts youthful radiance and aloe vera that hydrates your skin and reduces irritations. Check this video to find out how this product works. Highly concentrated vitamin C face serum visibly reduces the look of age spots in just 4 weeks. K3 vitamin C lifts skin tone and reduces the look of pigmentation for healthier looking complexion. The blend of ingredients makes this the best serum to get rid of age spots, sunspots, dark spots, scars, and more. Instant results: instantly restores radiance and hydrates dry skin. Within 4 weeks, reduce the look of age spots and firm delicate skin areas. Improves skin tones and diminishes the look of wrinkles. Encapsulated peptides target imperfections for a more uniform looking skin tone. Powerful anti-aging properties. Palmitoyl oligopeptide is known to increase Number 2 of my list. Noche y Dia Vitamin. The Noche y Dia Pure Vitamin Antiox Revitalizing Concentrate is the best option if you are struggling with clogged pores. It is an essential spot corrector that also clears and diminishes clogged pores, acne, and blackheads. The formula is blended well with antioxidants such as ascorbic acid, bitter orange, lemon, and kiwi seed oil that aid healthy collagen production and reduce aging signs. The kiwi seed oil in the serum contains omega-3 acids that strengthen the skin barrier and locks in moisture. In addition, the vitamin E-rich kiwi oil improves skin elasticity and reduces wrinkles. The lemon oil in the formula has antiseptic properties that reduce acne and excess oil production, while the bitter orange peel detoxifies and reduces inflammation and leaves your skin revitalized and balanced. The ascorbic acid, the purest form of vitamin C, plays a vital role in firming your skin texture while alleviating any signs of inflammation. Age-defying serum, Noche y Dia Euro trademark S Vitamin C Serum has a powerful mixture of ascorbic acid, bitter orange, lemon, and kiwi seed oil. These antioxidants support healthy collagen production to prevent the appearance of aging such as fine lines and wrinkles. This skin serum tightens, tones, and smooths texture. Blemish protection, our daily facial serum is the prime spot corrector for face and skincare. Our serum helps clear and minimize clogged pores, acne, blackheads, and breakouts. Hydrating serum, our vitamin C serum contains kiwi seed oil, which contains a high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are a crucial part of your OZNaturals trademark S lipid content and help bolster its barrier function, which, when working properly, acts like a seal that keeps moisture in and irritants out. When skin is compromised, though, moisture escapes, causing skin to become dry, rough, and more prone to irritation. Increasing your omega-3 intake helps strengthen that seal. And number 1. Neutrogena Bright Boost. The Neutrogena Bright Boost Illuminating Serum hydrates dull skin and rebuilds healthy skin cells. This lightweight formula is blended with naturally derived turmeric extract that plays a pivotal role in reducing fine lines and wrinkles, and also improves your OZNaturals trademark S overall texture. The neoglucosamine, the formula plumps the skin, exfoliates pigmented spots, and reveals brighter skin. Daily usage of the product enables you to achieve visibly brighter and even skin in just a week. In addition, this oil-free serum is gentle on your skin and do not clog pores, thus allowing your skin to breathe freely. Check this video out to get an unbiased review of the product. Neutrogena Bright Boost Illuminating Face Serum formulated with neoglucosamine and naturally derived turmeric extract to gently exfoliate and diminish the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Dermatologist preferred. Our best brightening facial serum helps reduce the most stubborn fine lines and dark spots for visibly brighter skin in just 1 week. Its unique formula also resurfaces skin to remove dull cells and improve skin texture and clarity. Neoglucosamine is a building block of hyaluronic acid that promotes skin plumping, skin exfoliates hyperpigmented spots for more even tone, and resurfaces skin to get rid of dull cells and reveal the new for brighter, wide-awake skin. Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.